Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, we have a special show today, all about climate change. What is climate change, you ask? Well, climate change is a change in global or regional climate patterns. And in order to see how climate change affects our life, we now go to weather with
Thanks, Erin. As you can see from behind me, our temperature is increasing due to the carbon and other greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. If we continue on this trend, our Earth will continue to warm up. Back to you, Erin.
Thank you, Isabel. We have a special report that the ocean pH level has dropped and become more acidic over time. The pH level has dropped from 8.2 to 8.1. While that may not seem like a lot, any change in the acidity of the ocean can kill all oceanic life and cause the ecosystem to fail.
Tesla is faster, stronger, and more carbony than ever, but it is not as good as the new insert car company here, Carbonator, which emits 100 times more carbon than any other car before it. Of course, we don't care about the environment, so as long as we get your money and customer satisfaction, the all-new insert car company here, Carbonator, get yours today.
Welcome back, everyone. We have a special guest today, Daniel, and he will refute the issues about climate change.
Thank you, Erin. Big fan of your guys' work. Now then, the problem with climate change is that we don't know if it could be affected by humans. Climate change does exist through natural processes, but the idea that people can change it by driving to work and burning fossil fuels is a bit of a stretch. After all, before 1975, people were concerned that the Earth was cooling, despite there being cars and factories that emit carbon at the time. It wasn't until 1975 that the weather became warmer and environmentalists claimed it was because of carbon emissions. Furthermore, the graphs showing how carbon increases over time cause the temperature to increase do not make sense. There are times when the CO2 levels lag, and there are times when the carbon levels increase while the temperature decreases, such as after World War II to 1975. On the other side, though, there is evidence that supports the idea of the sun causing temperature changes. The number of sunspots appear to have direct effect on the changes in temperature on Earth. Hopefully, this evidence will help us understand climate better and lead to an end to this debate. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. We have a report saying that ocean levels are increasing due to the melting ice caps. We have a fraction of the icebergs left, as they were 10 years ago. We only have approximately 400,000 icebergs left on the planet. If all the icebergs were to melt, the sea level would rise 230 feet. This would cause ecosystems and climate to change. Even civilization would change. Many rich people live along the shore of... Hold on, I'm gonna just stop there. Thank you. This causes ecosystems and climate to change. Even civilizations would change. Many rich people live along the shorelines of the oceans, and if the sea levels were to increase by 230 feet, their houses would become underwater. And we don't want that for them rich people, right? We need to make sure their lives are the best as we possibly can. So, we must stop the climate change so we can help the rich. Well, that's our newscast for you guys. Have a good day.
Audio Jungle.